Those look like they are cedar, which is a very valuable wood. I know the engineers wish they could use nothing but cedar so they wouldn't have to come back and change these ties. Because even though you cure that wood, the regular wood, and put preservatives on it, soak it in preservative, it ain't gonna last as long as that cedar wood there. No sir. You go inside the pyramids and parts of those sarcophagus, those coffins, are built out of cedar. Even today, most rich people, when they go to the mortician or to the funeral home, and they'll stipulate in their will that they want their casket to be built out of cedar. Now, why these are so long? I guess because they're switches, and they're gonna be in sections of the track that the train switch over, and so it span a greater distance. So you got cedar there, and you got some regular ones there. So why they elected to make some of them cedar and some of that? One of the reasons I know is that cedar lasts longer than other woods. But I would think that the preservative that they put in wood today would bring that age up to par with the cedar, but I guess not. That's what that is. That one says SW, that's switch. That one says SW2 also.